feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the...
Hey fams, good morning. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. So today I'm going to give you a clean with me video, and I am attacking my daughter's bedroom. She started to clean it up last night after church, and she didn't get to finish because she was so tired and something happened to her finger and she just was exhausted. So I told her to just leave it and I will take care of it in the morning. So I just figured, because today is cleaning Mondays, I would do a cleaning video for you guys and just show you what is happening right now. So I'm just changing her sheets. She normally changes her sheets like every week. She's really good about keeping her room clean. Sometimes it gets crazy because she does have a lot going on throughout the week. She has school every day, and then she has gymnastics twice a week, and then church and everything. So she's typically a very busy 9-year-old, but she's really good about keeping her room clean. So whenever I do go in her room to clean it up or just to kind of straighten it up a bit, which is very rare, you know, it's because she is so busy and just was not able to do it or just was very tired. So I just wanted to take you guys through the video and hope you guys enjoy the music. Let me know if you guys like videos like this. I will definitely continue to keep it coming. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to go ahead and do so. It is always free. And also don't forget to hit that bell for new video notifications as I upload. Also, let me know in the comment if you guys would like to see me do Vlogmas. I am definitely thinking about doing Vlogmas, a video every single day in December. Let me know if that's something that you are interested in, and I will definitely do that for you guys. So enjoy the video, enjoy the music, and I hope you guys have a fantabulous day. See you guys in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. With a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. Had my mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. Disappearing at last, you made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. Hide my mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
So guys, right there I'm showing you that my daughter, when she was vacuuming up her room before, she vacuumed up a sock in the vacuum and it was making this weird noise, and when I emptied it, I saw that she actually vacuumed up a sock. So yeah.
No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
So this is all the dirty laundry and boxes of garbage that was in her room. Oh my gosh. Yeah, when you have kids, you know what the deal is with that. I don't know why they accumulate so much garbage and where is it coming from, but that was it. So this is what her room looks like now, and hopefully she can continue to maintain it, which we know by the end of the week it's probably going to look crazy. But at least for today, I can get the satisfaction of knowing that her room is clean. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And like I said before, if you have not yet subscribed, I would love for you to do so and hit the bell. Also leave a comment down below because I love to talk with you guys. Anybody knows me, y'all know I love to chat with y'all, and just having great feedbacks and encouragement between myself and you guys. You're my family and I love y'all so much. And yeah, so hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'm getting ready to start putting out some major Christmas videos, you guys, so look out for that as well. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone